Hey guys, we're on Unit 7, Day 4, and this is the warm-up, but it says write a rule for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence that is two given terms of a sub 4 equals 36, which means the fourth term is 36, and a sub 9 equals 61, which means the ninth term is 61. Okay, so since we need to write a rule for the nth term, we need everything that doesn't have n in it, remember, which is a sub 1, which is the first term, and our common difference, which is d. Okay, we can't write the formula without those two pieces. All right, so it would be nice if they gave us the first term, but they didn't. They gave us the fourth term, which is 36, and it would have been nice if they gave us the fifth term, but they didn't, because then we could have figured out what our common difference was, but they gave us two non-consecutive terms. So we have to remember that because this is arithmetic, that it models a linear function. And remember, linear functions have slope. And so we're going to use the slope formula with our two pieces of information, which actually make ordered pairs. And so we can go ahead and use our slope formula y to the sky. So we're going to go ahead and take our y value of 61 and subtract 36. And because I chose that order on top, I have to do 9 minus 4 on the bottom. Okay, we're going to go ahead and clean that up. And that's going to give us 25 over 5. And now that it's clean on the top, clean on the bottom, we divide and we end up with a slope of 5. But really, that's our common difference. Okay, so we're halfway there. We could go ahead and work our way backwards. 1, 2, 3 terms to get to our first term, or we could go ahead and plug in. Does not make a difference. All right, I'm going to go ahead and plug in. So we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And remember in order to solve for that a sub 1, we have to make 3 substitutions for those variables. And so we're going to go ahead and put in our difference, which is 5 for d. Okay. N minus 1, remember, is kind of like x minus 1, and we have x values. We have 2 of them. We have 4 and 9. I'm going to choose to use 4. Keep my plus sign. A sub 1 is what I'm solving for, and a sub n, because I used 4 for my x value, I have to use 36 for my y value, which is what a sub n is. It's the output, just like y is. Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and clean this up. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 times 5 is 15. And then we can go ahead and subtract 15. And 36 minus 15 is going to give us a first term of 21. Okay. We could have also got that 21 by subtracting our difference of 5 to get our third term. And then subtracting our difference of 5 again to get our second term. Okay. And then subtracting our difference of 5 to get back to our first term, which would have given us 21 as well. So it doesn't matter how we got our 21, but now that we have it, we can go ahead and write our formula. So we have a sub n equals our first term of 21 plus n minus 1 times our difference of 5. And we could leave it like that, or we could clean it up. Okay. This would give us 5n. This would give us a negative 5, and the 21 minus the 5 would give us positive 16. And there is our cleaned up arithmetic formula for the nth term of the sequence. Okay, hopefully that was good review on remembering how to find the difference if you don't have it or can't find it, and also how to find the first term if you don't have it. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys on Day 4 notes.